My country people, this Nigerian singer, songwriter, and a dancer, Anita from Korra Obidi, popularly known as Korra Obidi, was born in June 23, 1991 and got married in 2018. Unfortunately for her, her marriage no work out. Ever since 2022, where she divorced her ex-husband, Dr. Justin Dean. Now so palava we dey see for internet. Now every day one trouble we dey see. So she don't come out again, begin dey cry. Say, my people abeg go make una no leave me. Oh, I need una help seriously. Say a lot of kasala don burst again as her ex-husband don't come again with another palava. This time around, he won't take over the children where she born. No be small thing, my people. Make we listen to wetin she talk before we continue the gist.
Gives him a hard on. When he took my children from me, when he took Athena from me when she was 4 days old, he called me 5 times on FaceTime just to see me cry. He enjoys it. He's a sick person. He called me 5 times. I was cutting the call. He was calling me just to see this. This is what he enjoys. But I cannot continue like this. I need help. I need help, guys. I can't keep suffering and then smiling, coming out to say was. It's not okay for you to strip me of every single right as a mom. My children cannot come to my country. My children cannot, I cannot post my children. You're deleting all my videos. My page is about to be deleted. Everything, my source of income, my livelihood, everything. After you collected $90,000 from me, what are you looking for?
My people, this chorus everyday crying no sit well with a lot of Nigerians again. As people don't they drag her. So many people don't they tell her, say you don't do. Say make she go find work. Say not be only how they divorce for this world. Why be saying every time she they come out, go live, come they cry for people. Say the people where she they cry for, they beg for money. She don't ask them how they are doing or how they are surviving in this hard economy. A lot of people don't they para on top her head. Say make she go find job. But at this case, I beg my people, una don't too go far to quit now. I beg anyhow you can help her in terms of money, lawyer, cause she dey look for lawyer, she won't go in a legal way. Anyhow you can help her, let's help her. Now our own and we cannot throw away her just like that. I beg make we help her. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. If this is your first time coming across my page, you're welcome. My name is Richest TV. Do well to like, follow this channel for more wenge news with the tutorial body. Now premium gist I dey carry for my page. No dumb moment on my page at all. Do well to scroll up. You will see interesting videos that will hook you up to watch. Stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Oh yeah, now bye.